Well, hello, folks. Hey, I'd like to welcome you to our segment with El Toro Pharmacy. And today we have, of course, one of the owners of El Toro Pharmacy. We have Angeli Oza. Come on over, Angeli. Good to see you again.
Nice
welcome.
To see you again,
and I'd like to welcome back Billy Khalid. Did I pronounce that right?
Yeah, Billy.
Billy? Okay. Now, you saw me come in on this scooter here. Let's come a little bit more together so we stay in frame. And first, tell us a little bit about what's going on over at El Toro Pharmacy.
Yeah.
I know you're helping out with flu shots and
so we're
shingles shots and all kinds of stuff, right?
We're strong in flu shots right now. I think a lot of people are kind of waiting to get their flu shots, but we recommend everyone come in right away to get it before the flu season really kicks off. And if you're traveling, I think we really recommend everyone to come in, go ahead and get that. Right now, the shingle shot is on back order, but we have a list going. So as soon as we get it in, we'll give everyone a call to have everyone come in and get that first dose.
And this is the newer one?
The newer one, the more effective,
So Christine is doing a great job with that.
Yeah, she is.
They'll be coming in a little bit stronger and a little bit more available soon, right?
Exactly, yeah.
All right, so you came along. Now, what is your title again? I forget.
The DME Services Repair Manager.
Okay, and today you brought along this scooter. It's the Go-Go scooter, the Pride, and the main reason you wanted to bring it in is because people really like these type of apparatus, EVCs, is that what they're called? Electronic vehicles, something like that. Yeah. But they want to know, well, I've got one of these, how do I transport it? How do I get it in my car? And how easy it is to break it down. You saw me coming in here. They're very easy to maneuver. A lot of fun. Got a little horn.
Yeah.
There we go. So you're going to show us how to break this down. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Should we time you?
So like Ken said, so this is one of our most popular. It's very small, very compact, and the fact that you can take it apart into 5 pieces. First, we're going to start off by turning off the unit. Okay. Step number 1, basket comes off. Okay. The seat here, lift, twist. Take it out. There's another part.
Wow, that's really easy.
Okay. Third part right here is the battery. Comes straight out. Okay. And the back. Where the motor's at, just lift, guide it.
So that's it.
Now you got 5 pieces. You can also, for smaller cars, drop the handles.
That's really easy.
Now you got 5 pieces.
And so you got the 5 pieces, and would this be the heaviest?
This would be about 30 pounds.
Okay.
Being the heaviest piece of the.
Okay, which is, might be difficult for some people, but other people, they're going to be able to do that.
Yes, sir.
Do that fine. And obviously, this would fit in most cars. Of course, if you have a van, an SUV, or something like that, it's a lot easier. So let's put it back together.
Yes, sir.
The same way? You put the handles up first? Or?
So you can put the handles up.
Okay. And this is, these are all adjustable, right?
Yes.
The handle, how high the handle goes up, the steering and the seat and all that?
So the tiller doesn't extend this way.
Okay.
But you can go as far as forward.
Oh, I see, which of course would make it taller. Okay, that's good to know.
Okay, then you got the back here. You can always lock this guy in place.
Okay.
Make it easier for you. Lift, guide it through, drop, battery pack.
And the seat weighs less than the battery. Yeah. Okay. And then of course
it looks bulkier.
I'll do this because this is. Now I have a question for you, and either one of you can answer this. These are actually pretty speedy, and can you govern the speed down on these? And there's a reason I ask. I see these a lot, especially when I go to a Disneyland.
Yeah.
And I've seen people, and they're usually ones that they're renting there, kind of get away from them. And, I've seen them hit people with them and things like that. Now, I remember we rented one for my dad, and I forget what brand it was. All I know, it had 4 wheels. And it seems there was like a governor on it that we could, or you could make it much slower.
Yeah, you can.
So you got the speed adjuster right here. So the fastest this guy can go is about 4 miles per hour.
Okay, which is pretty fast.
Yeah, pretty fast.
Yeah.
And the turning on it also can scare somebody.
Right,
but
right.
if you put it at the lowest speed, I mean,
Yeah.
It's very slow.
Now, if someone comes in, they're looking for something. I know you have different models,
Yes.
right? And one of the best things to do is, I don't know if they get with you, Billy, or with you, or
Yeah.
whoever, is finding the right one for the right person.
Yes, sir. No,
Right?
actually, correct.
And I know how important this is because my dad recently, he went to the state fair in New Mexico, and he
okay.
bought this stand-up thing, and maybe it was good quality, but it wasn't right for him.
Yeah.
And he fell off it because he got it where he got it. He was fine.
Yeah.
They're not going to take it back or
No,
anything. There's no
exactly.
recourse, which is too bad. So you need to come into a place like El Toro Pharmacy. You've got experts there. They're not only going to find the right one that will fit you, but somebody like Billy here will help you figure out how to store it, how to take it apart, put
Yes,
it
sir.
back together.
Yeah.
And of course, Angela, you got to just the staff over there.
Yeah,
is
we have
just
a great
wonderful.
team, and I
Really
do
nice
recommend
people.
everyone just come in, try it out. We have a great space outside where you can practice.
Yeah.
We
See,
definitely
that's a
don't
good-
want you
that's a
to
good
leave
thing, too.
until you're comfortable with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, getting back quickly to the flu shots and those, do they
Yeah.
have to schedule them? Do they have to go through their doctor?
No.
Because I know that's just a really important topic
It
right
is, yeah. No, actually, we're doing walk-ins.
Okay.
If you want to schedule an appointment, that's fine too. But we're actually doing walk-ins every single day. and
Okay.
There's no wait for them once you come
now.
in
Okay.
for
Do
that.
they need an insurance card or something
Bring
like that?
yeah. If you have Medicare, bring your Medicare card.
Okay,
If you have
good
your
to know.
insurance, bring your insurance card.
All right.
Yeah.
Anything else going on? You know, holidays are coming up. You
yeah.
got some specials.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got
so
our
we have a-
sales.
Okay.
All right, we got our sales that's gonna go throughout the rest of this month. It's $100 off on lift chairs and scooters.
All right.
So it doesn't matter what brand it is, it's gonna be $100 off.
Okay. And when someone purchases one of these, do they do you offer like a service contract or
Yes,
how
sir.
does that work?
So we do a 6-month on the scooters and lift chairs, labor free.
Okay.
You call us whatever time, and then we'll come out and fix it and repair it for you.
All right, and you know these are very reliable to begin
Yes.
with. There's not going to be a lot of problems with this, but maybe you need some sort of adjustment or a quick brush up lesson
Yes.
or
Yeah.
whatever it might be.
Yeah, and then we do have a special Bionic Trunk Show on December 7th. It was actually voted one of Oprah's favorite things, and we have those slippers that she loves
Now, what are
coming
these?
in today. So the Bionic shoes, I have them on today,
Okay.
was voted as Oprah's favorite things. So not necessarily these boots, but there's these Gemma slippers that she has just put on her favorite 2018 list.
Are they like heated or something?
No,
or just
I think they're
slippers?
just very comfortable, very soft.
right.
It gives you the arch support, and we have our trunk show on December 7th from 10 to 4, and then those slippers are actually coming in our store today.
Okay.
So.
All right, there you go. Come in different colors and both
yeah,
men and women.
Yeah, just exactly.
Okay,
actually,
just-
but
well,
we do have
doesn't mean
slippers
men
for
can't put 'em
yes,
on. Yeah.
exactly,
It doesn't matter. Just get a darker color if you like them.
exactly.
You know, it really doesn't matter nowadays, right?
Yes.
Well, I want to thank you both for coming on today.
Thank
it was
you.
wonderful. Thanks for bringing this. And you can see how El Toro Pharmacy can help you out in a lot of different things, whether you need a scooter, a walker, a lift chair, or your flu shots.
Yes.
They got you, or the slippers.
Yes,
They
or
got
the
you covered.
slippers.
Thank you.
All right.
both
Thank you
for
so
coming in.
much,
Good
Ken.
to see you again.
Appreciate it.
Take
Thank
care.
you.
Thanks for showing this to us.
You want to write it again?
Yeah, here, let me write it out. He showed me how to put it in reverse. You don't have this on superpower, do you?
Yeah.
Goodbye.